Today we are going to unbox this car. This is a 1:64 scale micro drifter car with a built-in garage remote. This is India's first 1:64 micro drifter car by LOT Cars. LOT's full form is Legend of Toys. Ready, set, drift. Let's unbox this car. Multiple colors, 4 light modes. Here is something written. You can read by stopping the video. Its max top speed is 10 km/h. Perfect for your tabletop. Dual speed mode, 10 km/h. A Legend of Toys product. Okay. Blue, red, green, pink, yellow, blue. Guess and tell me in the comment section what color should they given us. Okay. The lineup. But which car I ordered? That car's picture is not given here. Control your speed with proportional throttle. We already have this car, but we don't have these three. Soon I will buy these three also. If you will tell me in the comment section for buying these cars. How to drift is written here. 4WD, okay. What is written here? TF here, okay. But we will open from here. Got here also written. Open here. Let's open the car. I said you that from these our car's picture is not mentioned here. Our car is like this, so beautiful and looking so beautiful in red color. Here is the instruction manual, or something else is this. What is this? Free service. Thank you card. Okay, not everyone gets this card, but I got license to drive this car. Stickers are also given with this car to apply on the car. Type-C cable. 2 cells of which brand? Nippo. Let's open and see what is inside. Type-C cable. Nippo battery. Some stickers for applying on the car. Rubber tires, okay. Default tires which are applied on the car are drift tires. Means a screwdriver. Three cones for drifting. And not 4 tires are given, 5. 1 extra rubber tire they gave us. Okay, installation manual of the car. A story, I think this is, yeah. This is a story. Make your own dash. It's our name. You can write here. Who colored this car? Okay. A clip. But not for putting here on your hair. Let's open the remote. I think we should use a scissor to open this remote, but we will not use the scissor today. Without scissor also, this remote came outside. 4 different lights, 2 gears, on a switch. This button, I don't know for what this is given by them. This is for opening the garage on the remote. Wow. I will show you a prank which we are doing on this car soon only, when we will do testing of the car. So wait for the. Let's open this car now. We should wait. Oh, super beautiful car. Super. This is LED light. This is also LED light. Flaps, headlights, taillights, tires. It's 4-wheel drive. LRT 4714 RC25. Like I said, drift hours are given by default. Very cute car. Comparing this car with a mini Maserati car, the size is almost the same, only a little bit. This car have more height than this car, only with a little bit difference. This is a little bit bigger than this. This is a SUV, that's why. If you will compare with the Maserati's SUV, then the size will be the same. On a switch of the car, for charging, Type C cable you can use, which is included with the car for charging the car. This remote requires 2 AAA batteries, which are included with this car. You have to put in this car, but I will put a little bit more powerful batteries in this car, not this car's battery. This remote requires 2 AAA batteries, which are included with this car. So let's do testing. So let's do testing of the car as well. Okay. Let's open the batteries. The remote is on now. I will show you one prank which we are doing with this car. A little testing we will do. This tire is wobbling. Doing prank with this car. Driving the car by putting in this garage.